Welcome to Autodesk AutoCAD Fundamentals. At IMAGINiT Technologies, we offer a live online course that introduces each trainee to the essentials needed to help launch them into the world of AutoCAD drafting. With the completion of our introductory course, clients will have obtained knowledge of the tools, methods, and processes needed to confidently use the software in a typical workday. Completion of the first day will enable students to begin new projects, navigate the AutoCAD interface, utilize drafting assistance tools for better drawing precision, and use various drafting modification tools, and much more. IMAGINiT's live online courses are interactive, with an in-person instructor who walks students through the different topics discussed throughout the class, to help each student familiarize themselves with the routine tools that they will require in their daily workflow. Each attendee will access AutoCAD through our unique online lab and work through practical exercises developed to assist each trainee in gaining a thorough understanding of the software. Topics and exercises have been developed through our team at Ascent to help students set up new projects, open existing projects, and manipulate drawing content using various modification tools. Each student will discover how to navigate around the AutoCAD workspace and know where to find different areas of the user interface, navigate through the drawing using various functions such as zoom and pan tools, create new projects and open existing projects. After making changes to the drawing, know where to save the file and then how to close the drawing. Use basic drawings, editing, and modifier tools to create simple shapes like circles and rectangles, and edit existing content using move, rotate, and copy tools. Review and modify the properties of selected objects to update content in the drawing. Utilize various drafting assistance tools such as object snaps and drafting modes to help draft more accurately. Organize all drawing content using layers to control when objects are visible and modify other properties such as color, line style, and thickness. Implement the use of blocks as reusable symbols that can be loaded from a library or user-created. Prepare a layout as sheets to be plotted as a project deliverable. Add various annotation in the form of text, dimensions, and tables. Apply textures to areas in the form of repeating patterns, known as hatching, for highlighting a portion of the drawing or infilling an object. Work more effectively initiating commands with the use of keyboard shortcuts. Work more precisely with the use of Cartesian coordinate systems. Set up tracking points to snap into for faster and more accurate drafting. Set up parametric and dimensional constraints to allow adjustability within the drawing. Create external write blocks and edit blocks within the block editor. Setting up layers and styles within the drawing and applying those settings into a template file that can be used to start a new project. Work more effectively with layouts, setting up named views for viewport displays. Create custom dimension substyles for separate display of each dimension type. We will also learn about attached external references for other drawing files as underlays in your project. Each day, our well-experienced and knowledgeable instructors take students through how AutoCAD functions best, sparking ideas for implementation and design while giving employees the confidence to transition into the software in order to fulfill their daily work needs, alleviating the fear that come with transitioning into new software and new methods, assisting CAD drafters in tackling daily obstacles and helping them move through problems, issues more effectively and more quickly. Upon completion of our course, technicians, designers, and managers alike, each will gain the confidence to create a new project or open an existing model and navigate seamlessly while easily moving through the various areas of the drawing in order to design, set up, and manage a project with much more ease. cutting down the time companies spend on tackling the burdensome task of onboarding new employees, and/or understanding how new software can and will be implemented into the daily workflow. IMAGINiT's Autodesk AutoCAD Fundamentals course equips students with the capabilities they need to move forward in today's technologically changing environment, familiarizing them with the latest and greatest in two-dimensional drafting software.